Welcome to Model Horse Tack School. My name is Carrie, and today we're going to work on the trick riding saddle blanket. It's a different one from this. This saddle blanket, very standard. I'm using some craft felt. This is a particularly thin craft felt. I'm placing the suede onto the felt so I can get an idea of how big I want it. And you can do this for any Western saddle. It's not really for trick riding. And then you don't want it to be too big in the front or the back. You need more overlap on the sides than you do the front or the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and kind of put out my straight lines, making sure I've got the same amount on both sides. There we go. I will cut away this black pen. I don't need it. It'll make it a little bit smaller, but there you go. That's your square. Just go ahead and cut that out. I did not speed this up because it's already less than 8 minutes, and YouTube likes 8-minute videos. So sorry if it seems slow. This is real speed for me. I'm never in a hurry. There's no hurry. When it comes to this, is supposed to be fun and relaxing. It's not supposed to be stressful. Okay, now we got the square cut out. Isn't that nice? Put the felt away. Oops. And this is how we know one side's going to be longer than the other. And first thing I want to do is deal with this suede. It needs to be edge coated. Try to get a suede that doesn't need to be. I'm almost done with the skin. I just use a Sharpie and very carefully from the back is pointing towards the hand that has the pen. And then I just do a quick, draw on the very edge. Try to get suede that doesn't have this issue. I didn't know until I had bought it, and I've been avoid using it, but now I just need to use it up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and figure out what we want to do in the center. That's the center piece. In this case, I'm not going to use the center piece to glue. Instead, I'm going to do this little trick, which is where I'm just going to pull at an angle upward so that when it goes on the model, it's higher in the front than it is in the back. And you can do whatever pulling you want. You can also cut that area and then put that suede piece, there. It adds bulk, so if you don't think you need it, I don't think I need it for this trick riding. Depends upon your model. Some models need it, some don't. All right. Here we go. Gluing half C's. So I'm just going to go half the suede with glue on it. This is the opposite side, the unfinished side. Some suedes are double-sided, but you just pick the side that looks the worst, and that's your back side. And then just go ahead and lay that down. It should go basically all the way across. And then we're going to do the same to the other side. You can make it thinner so the leather there's not as much on the right side. It's up to you. This is just to protect the saddle blanket from the movement of the stirrups. So the stirrups are going back and forth, and there's no protection for the pad. Then what happens is the pad starts to fray. So the leather or suede on the side helps to protect that. Okay, so now we're going to put glue on the other side. Now this could be the right side you're looking at, or it could be the back side. This is a reversible pad. So however you want to look at it, view it, is fine. So now we're going to fold it up. And pull it so that it's the same basic width all the way across. There's so many different ways to make saddle pads. The one on that white one, that was done with my embroidery machine. I have done some where I find out like a fabric for furniture. It's a little bit thicker and usually very textured. I've used that. So fabric for furniture, for sofas and chairs and stuff. Thicker and more textured. You do have to worry about the edges fraying. But here we go. That's your pad. And you can cut it that way if you want. I decided not to. Okay, that is your blanket. Thank you for spending time with me today. Like, subscribe, tell your friends about the channel, and have a good day.